Oh, black coffee.
Beat this nigga in his head till my hand tired. Pour 3 of red in there every fresh pie. On my way on Morris Road. Like on the deal shit, I got some better hit than Mike Tyson. A white dog and a brindle stripe one got a pipe.
This is nice, nice, ain't it nice, nice. Right here.
And the hoes in the letter R in the crib and make the most I rap. Don't forget to tell the part.
Baby, I've been using coffee makers for years. No honesty. Especially Keurig. I gotta wash this out first too.
Scared of dark. Trying to lose these little pounds I got, but I ain't scared to eat. Bitch, up a roll on them.
Bottle of water. I don't use faucet water. I drink faucet water. I never drink faucet water unless I'm homeless. Like when I say homeless, homeless don't have no shelter, no nothing. Other than that, you never see me drink faucet water. I'd rather drink pop. Max right here.
Rick Fox. Now we trying to cook a half a brick. I need a big pot. We only finna pour a four. Don't bring no big pot.
Let's turn it on. This one, I like this one. This is real nice. Good. Look, I got an old Starbucks coffee. These cups good. I need to go get my K-pop cups from upstairs. Upstairs. I keep them in a box over here. A box full of Starbucks K-pop cups. Mission 1 complete. Got the K-pop cups. It's not even trying to focus. Focus. We're gonna do 6 ounces of coffee and see what I get. Yay! Coffee at home. That sounds so good. You can start getting my creamers right here, because now that we got coffee at home, everything's just gonna get better from here. When it comes to the flavoring, when it comes to the creamers, the different creamers, the variety of flavors that I have, like baby, we ain't playing. Coffee shop at home.
Toilet paper, watch that tissue off. Quit mugging me, I'll get it.
I'm sure all the gingerbread houses are made by Abby. He didn't make that one. My brother and his girlfriend made that one. My boyfriend and my little sister made this Oreo gingerbread house. Right. I gotta make sure it tastes good. I like it. It's good. My life is complete. My life is complete.
I'm rapping all the time. Bill tried to hold Mike, like why you flashing all them fives? Now we somewhere reaching in our pocket, wrestling out of dime. I watch at home, I ain't trying to be flashy all the time. I just caught an ops bad baby, I'm always catching them outside. I said I love you, I was trying to fuck you, nasty bitch, I lied. You let your man diss me in the sun, ask me,